Now that you have a backstory, any question the children will ask you should be relatable in some way to you and your backstory. If someone asks you, Santa, what's your favorite color? You could answer for either Santa or yourself, and these things may even run into each other. You could respond, I love red and all the Christmas colors, but I also enjoy a deep, rich mahogany color. We used to build a lot of wooden toys back in the day, and many of them were stained or painted. By doing this, you add authenticity because you really do like mahogany and can talk about it, or, whatever else in the example, plug in a different question. You can also use this technique to redirect questions. Instead of them asking you a question and you asking them the same question back to carry on, oh, what's my favorite color? What's your favorite color? To keep the dialogue going. You can lead them to a certain speaking subject or topic because you have a story prepared about that topic. Perhaps you ask them if they have been good and if they brush their teeth. Whatever they answer, you can then tell them about how the elves at the North Pole got into the toothpaste and made a horrific mess this last year.